Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're looking at looks like a 65 Ford Ranchero with a 289. Just a clean looking Ranchero sitting here, so I thought I would shoot it. I had a wagon that was a two-door wagon and bought it in San Diego, drove it back Route 66, took 9 days to get back, overheated the whole way home. Had the best trip of my life, but what a fiasco. But when we zoom in here, you'll see the Texas Longhorn. That was the trim package of this. And my wagon had seats with that little Longhorn all over it. And it was such a great looking seat. Unfortunately, this looks like it has seats out of a later model vehicle, interior out of a later model vehicle, but from a distance this is such a clean looking vehicle. I wanted to shoot it. Great looking wheel tire setup. There you can see the 289 badging. Engine bay is very, very clean. They're running with the hood off, so I'm assuming it's still under construction, but he's getting it out, running it on the road. So I just thought I would shoot it while I was at this car show. See the hula girl on the dashboard. Very clean, and what was really interesting about these vehicles, they were easy to find parts for because the Mustang had the same parts later. So Mustang and the Falcon had a lot of same parts as far as crossover. So there's the Ram horn again. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video.